Alright, so I've got myself a parabola here, and I want to change the color. So you've got 6 colors that you can change from. You've got black, you've got purple, you've got orange, you've got green, you've got blue, and you've got red. Now, for art projects, that is a little bit limiting, and by a little bit, I mean a lot. What if you want gray? What if you want pink? You know, there's a lot of things that you're not going to be able to do. So I have gone to the deepest part of the internet to find a solution for this, and I eventually found one. Took about half an hour of searching, but here we are. So this is a Chrome extension called Tamper Monkey, and it sounds scary. I already have it installed on my other accounts. It's not scary, trust me. It basically just lets you run JavaScript outside of a website, and JavaScript is just a coding language. So it will only do what you tell it to, pretty much. It will not do anything malicious unless you run a malicious script. I'll say that. And trust me, the script I'm going to link to you is not malicious. So this link will be in the description, and you'll be able to find that pretty easily. The next thing you want to install is going to be called Desmos Art Tools, which is going to be the script. So the second link will take you to a site that looks like this, and don't worry about this down here. You won't need to copy and paste that anywhere. All you have to do is click this raw button, and what that is going to do is it's going to bring up this, which is going to be a script installation thingy. I'm not really sure what to call it, but yeah, it'll help you install this. So you can go ahead and click install, and that should be it in theory. If we go to Tamper Monkey and then go to dashboard, we should see that it is enabled. Now all we've got to do with this is we've got to reload. Okay, so that should give us something that wasn't there before. Up in this corner here we have a color picker. Now what this allows you to do is it allows you to set any color you want. So let's go for a nice, very light lime green. That's more of a mint, but it's the color that I chose, and as you can see, it is not any of these 6 colors. So that is cool. The next thing that you might want to do, and this is an optional step, is install this extension called Color Pick Eyedropper. So if you want to, say, look at an image, let's take a look at the Orion Nebula, for example. There's a lot of different colorful images here that are kind of artistic representations. Some of them might be stacked images. This one might be a stacked image. Yeah, this one's definitely a stacked image, but here you go. So let's just take a look at, for example, this, and say I want this kind of color of this cloud, this dark pink color. So let's grab our eyedropper here, and it'll take a few seconds to turn the mouse into a crosshair there, but go ahead and find the spot where your color is, and it kind of brings up this zoomed view, so I don't want to pick that because that is a star, but I can pick like that. And so what you're gonna get is a bunch of things that you probably won't understand, but all that matters for our tool is this top color. Now this top color is the hex code, which is not important, but go ahead and just copy that, and then go to your Desmos project that you're working on, go ahead and go in there, and as you can see, there's a hex and then a box. So for your hex, you just want to go ahead and paste that in there, and that should, in theory, set that to the color. So I think that's all you need to know. If you have any issues with that, then let me know. I'll leave the link to this graph in the description, as well as the link to all of those. And if you have any issues, feel free to email me. Alright,